Hello and welcome back to Clint. We're in the workshop here. What we're looking at is the Rodney milling accessory, and this is mounted on the lathe bed, on a Boxford lathe bed. See? Now, I've not fully clamped it down as yet, but last time we looked at this Rodney milling accessory, it was to make a gasket for this piece here, and there's an oil reservoir in there. And so we're looking a bit further now, and I can tell you that it was real heavy work lifting it up onto this lathe bed. First I want to say that we've got a little announcement to make. Thank you for all my subscribers. I've got a list of them here. Yeah, there was Conclafos. He subscribed on the March the 20th, May 20th, and Jodie Lee subscribed on the 6th of May, and Pushy Hog on the 11th of May. So I'd like to thank you very much for subscribing to the channel. There was also one or two others, but I didn't get notifications of. Okay, we'll get back to that later when more subscribers are going to subscribe to my channel, I hope, because doing nice, but we need a lot more. Anyway, back to this Rodney. I'm going to take a little look around it. There's something missing off this. I wonder if you can tell me what it is. So we're going around and having a look here. I'm incidentally using a different camera mount system. Whoops! Hoping you can see it. Now that's the back end of the of the Rodney. As you can see, there's a gear there, spur gear. Come to that later. And this is the other side of it. When it's mounted in position, it will go up and onto this spindle drive here. The spindle drive isn't in at the moment. And there you go. So here you've got a worm wheel and a worm, which that lowers the quill there into position, with a hand wheel around the other side of the machine, which is there. Okay, so we turn it and you can see, oops, it's a bit difficult to do this video. It's the first time I use this camera mount thing, and you can see it's lowering the quill. Okay, now you can move it, that's on a fine feed. You can move it with the lever there, but you have to disconnect this worm and worm wheel by using that lever there. Anyway, sorry a little bit about this. I can't get it onto the drive system yet because what happened was it was stolen. Yeah, the connector that goes into there was stolen, along with other machine tools. I mentioned it before, and they accidentally left this Rodney accessory. But the stupid idiots, and not very nice people, they left their Rodney and took the drive system. So here we've got a Rodney with no drive system. So I thought, what can we do to make it work? It's very difficult to get these parts. Anyway, what happened was that I designed a drive system for it and made an alteration to this spur gear there. Okay, and you see I turned a pin down and drilled a hole into the base of that, and pressed it on, and it was a 2 diameters. Smaller diameter goes into the gears thing, and that pushes up to the larger diameter, which formed a collar to stop it going too far in, and also it made it more stable. And then from there we got I'm going to go to the milling machine here, and you'll see I've got a setup. Whoops, a setup for the. Just move that to one side where we can see it. Yeah, I'm making a groove there, and it's almost finished. So we're going to look at that on another video, which then after I've made it, we're going to verify that it works, and by connecting it to the spindle of the lathe that'll go in there. So that part, what I've just showed you what I'm machining now, it's got a Morse taper that fits into there, and then the idea is to put a slot in it which will connect with that spigot there, and basically act as a driving carrier. So anyway, that's the idea of it. And so that's all for today on this one. Thanks for subscribing, and we'll know more about this. I don't know if you can see me because I'm just guessing. I can't change the camera position, because if I change the camera position, what would happen is it would cut the video. So if you know, you can watch this video as well, you might like that one. And so the next video probably will be, if all goes well, it will be the one showing that accessory to cause on the drive to it, to complete that driving train there. So that's it. So in the meantime, check this one out, or that one. I never know which way they're going to go. And thanks for watching and being patient with me. As I say, it's not a bad thing, this little camera mount I've got. It's a very small tripod actually, and it's nice for just moving around. I couldn't figure out a way of doing it any other way by, able to give you an all-round view of this nice accessory. But I can tell you, it's very, very heavy to lift up and down, so you have to be feeling quite fit, and it can be strenuous. You could easily do yourself a back injury. Anyway, that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. But catch that one anyway. Bye for now. Thanks for all my subscribers. Need some more, so please hit the like button and subscribe more for me. Thanks very much. Catch you next time. Bye bye.